Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 3.3 of chapter 3, that is data handling. So now I will solve question number 6, and question number 6 is take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the following table. Okay, so here is the temperature of the cities as on 20 June 2006. So Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu, and Mumbai are the cities. And this is the maximum temperature of the cities, and these are the minimum temperature of these cities. Okay. So here is plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following. So first bit is which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given date. So here we have to first subtract the maximum and the minimum temperature, and then we will find that which number is the least of this city. Okay. So friends, second bit is which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city. So first of all, for finding hottest city, we have to find that which number is largest in maximum part. Okay, and then we'll find coldest city. And how we'll find the coldest city? First, we have to find the least number in this data on minimum part. Okay, from here, this 29, 26, 21, 27, 28, 29, 26, and 27. We have to find the least number. Okay, and then we'll find the coldest city. Okay, so now third bit is name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Okay, and fourth bit is name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Okay, so first we'll start from making a double bar graph. Okay, so we will give the scale of gapping 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's get started. This is the double bar graph, and just see here, red color is representing the maximum temperature and yellow color is representing the minimum temperature. As you see that the maximum temperature of Ahmedabad is 38 degrees Celsius. Okay, so just see here, I have drawn the double bar graph, and this is the maximum temperature of Ahmedabad. Okay, and the minimum temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. So the minimum is here 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, and here I have taken the gaps of 5 degree. 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, just see here, this is 50, 45, 40, 30, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Okay, so I'm starting from 50 and ended up to 5. Okay, so please note it down. Okay, so friends, I hope you all have noted down. So now I'm proceeding to first bit, and first bit is which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date. So, for example, I'm taking the city Ahmedabad, and now we'll find the difference of their temperature of maximum minus minimum. Okay, so let's do it. That first, I will subtract maximum temperature from minimum temperature. Minimum temperature from maximum temperature. Okay, so now first we'll write this city name, that is Ahmedabad. Okay, then we'll find the difference. Okay, so friends, now I have written the all the cities name. So now I'll find the decimal difference. Okay, so the maximum temperature of Ahmedabad is 38 degrees Celsius. Okay, minus, and minimum is 29 degrees Celsius. So 38 minus 29 is 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we'll proceed to Amritsar. And 9 degrees Celsius is the difference of maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Okay, and now we'll find the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature of Amritsar. Okay, and the maximum temperature of Amritsar is 37 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature of Amritsar is 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 37 minus 26 is equal to 11 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's proceed to Bangalore, and Bangalore is the maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 degrees Celsius minus the minimum temperature is 21 degree Celsius. Okay, and the difference between 28 and 21 is 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, so these are the difference. 9, 11 and 7 are the difference. Okay, so let's proceed to Chennai, and the maximum temperature of Chennai is 36 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the minimum temperature of Chennai is 27 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, 36 minus 27, which is equal to 9 degrees Celsius. Okay, and now we'll proceed to Delhi, and Delhi is 38. That means maximum temperature is 38 and the minimum temperature is 28. Okay, so 38 minus 28 is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. So now the maximum temperature of Jaipur is 39 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature of Jaipur is 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 39 minus 29, which is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we are proceeding to city Jammu. Okay, and the maximum temperature of Jammu is 41 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature of Jammu is 26 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 41 minus 26, which is equal to 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now the maximum temperature of Mumbai is 32 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature of Mumbai is 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 32 minus 27, which is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we have got the difference between the maximum temperature and minimum temperature of all the cities. Okay, so please note it down. So, friends, the question is asking that which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given date? Okay, so just see here that which is the largest number in the difference, I mean the result. 9 is not the largest number, 11 is also not the largest number, 7 is also not, 9 is also not, 10 is not the largest number, 10 is not the largest number. Yeah, we can say that 15 is the largest number and 5 is also not the largest number. So we can say that hence, uh, the city is Jammu. Okay, so Jammu is the city is the city which has the largest difference between maximum and the minimum temperature. Okay, city which is having not which is having which has the largest difference difference between hands down is the city which has the largest difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature. Okay, indirectly we can say that Jammu is the answer for first beat. Okay, so let's proceed to second beat. So friends, second bit is which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city. So just see friends here that in the maximum part, which city is having the highest maximum temperature. 38 is not the highest and the largest number. 37 is also not the largest number. 28 is also not the largest number. 36 is also not the largest number. 38 is also not the largest number. 39 is also not the largest number. And 41, yeah, we can see that the 41 is the largest number. And 32 is also not the largest number. So 41 is the answer for second beat. And 41 is having which city? Yeah, Jammu is having maximum temperature 41 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the answer for first beat, that means the hottest city will be Jammu. Okay, so let's write it that hottest city, hottest city in the data is equal to which is the hottest city in the data, Jammu. Okay, Jammu is the hottest city in the data. Okay, so now we'll write that what is the coldest city. Okay, coldest city, which is equal to, so coldest city in the data is equal to, so let's find the minimum temperature. So here in this data, which is the smallest number, 29 is the highest, 26 is the highest, yeah, 21 is the lowest, 27 is the highest number, 28 is in the highest number, 29 is in highest number, 26 is in highest number, 27 is also a highest number, but 21 is the smallest number in the data. Okay, so we can write it as yeah, Bangalore is having the minimum temperature 21. So yeah, we can write it as Bangalore is the coldest city. Okay, Bangalore is the coldest city. So hottest city in the data is Jammu and coldest city in the data is Bangalore. Okay, so friends, let's proceed to third beat. So friends, third bit is name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Okay, so here we have to see that in this data the maximum number we have to search that which is the lowest number, the least number in maximum. So cut to 41 because 41 is the largest, 38 is also largest, 37 is also largest, but 28 is not largest because this is below 30 degree. Okay, so that means this is coldest. Okay, so one is Bangalore and the another pair is, see, Bangalore is less than two cities. The maximum temperature of Bangalore is less than the minimum temperature of two cities. Which are the two cities? 29 is the highest number. No, no, no. 29 is not the highest number. Yeah, in this data, 29 is the highest. Okay. So 28 is lower than 29, right? And 29 is Jaipur is having the minimum temperature 29, and Ahmedabad is having the minimum temperature also 29. Okay, so Ahmedabad and what Jaipur is that two cities. Okay, so Bangalore's maximum temperature is less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad and Jaipur. Okay, So we can write it as Bangalore. The answer will be Bangalore and Jaipur. Okay, Jaipur, and the another pair will be um, Bangalore, again Bangalore, because Bangalore is the least number in maximum also. Okay, Bangalore and which city? Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Okay, Ahmedabad. Okay, so the answer for third bit will be Bangalore and Jaipur, and second bit will be Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Okay, so yeah, the answer is correct. This will be LOR. No, 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 not like this. LOR, and this will be also LORE. Okay, and here will be A, and here will be also A. Okay, so friends, let's proceed to fourth beat. So friends, fourth beat is name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Okay, so just see here. In Yeah, here in first beat, Ahmedabad is having the difference 9 degrees Celsius. Amritsar is having the difference 11 degrees Celsius. Bangalore is having the difference here, not yeah. Bangalore is having the difference of 7 degrees Celsius. Chennai is having the difference of 9 degrees Celsius. Delhi is having the difference of 10 degrees Celsius. Jaipur is having the difference of 10 degrees Celsius. And Jammu is having the difference of 15 degrees Celsius. And Mumbai is having the least one, 5 degrees Celsius. Because 5 degrees Celsius is the lowest number and the smallest number here. Okay. And here also it has asked that uh, name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Okay, so first we have to find the difference between maximum and minimum, and from that we have to find the least number. So in this that means in this difference, the least number is 5, and Mumbai is having 5 degrees Celsius, the difference of 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 5 is the least number, and Mumbai is having 5, the difference of 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the answer for fourth beat will be Mumbai. Okay, because Mumbai is having the difference of only 5 degrees Celsius, and 5 degrees Celsius is the least number here. See, 9 is greater than 5, 11 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 5, 9 is greater than 5, 10 is greater than 5, and yeah, both tens are larger than 5, and 15 also. The 15 is the highest one, so we can't compare it from 5. So yes, 5 is the least number. Okay, so by this we have completed question number 6 as well as exercise 3.3. And from the next video, we will start a new exercise, that is exercise 3.4. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.